Hi, today from Sabbu's Kitchen preparing burrito bowl, a highly customizable Mexican dish. The ingredients can be changeable according to one's taste. This bowl contains all types of ingredients which are high in protein, vitamin and carbohydrate. So let's start preparing it.
Burrito bowl contains 5 layers: rice, rajma dal, salsa sauce, salad, paneer, cheese and nachos. The ingredients for rice are 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of capsicum, 1 cup of yellow bell pepper, 1 cup of red bell pepper, 1 cup of boiled corn, 1 spoon of salt, 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, 1 cup of boiled basmati rice, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Heat oil in a kadai, add garlic, fry it. Add chili flakes and fry it. Add onions, fry it until it becomes brown. Add yellow and red bell pepper and capsicum. Fry it. Don't fry for a long time or it loses its crunch. Add corn and rice. Add salt, pepper and ketchup. Mix it well and fry it for 2 minutes. One tablespoon of chopped garlic, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped tomato, 250 grams of boiled and slightly mashed rajma, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Heat oil in a kadai, add garlic, fry it. Add chili flakes and fry it. Add onions, fry it until it becomes brown. Add tomatoes and fry it. Add rajma, ketchup, salt and pepper powder. Fry it for 2 minutes. Ingredients for salsa sauce are thick curd 500 ml, quarter spoon of pepper, half spoon of salt. Add pepper and salt to the curd and mix it well. The ingredients for salad: 1 cup of chopped tomato, 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped capsicum, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Take a bowl, add capsicum, tomatoes, onion, chili flakes, salt and pepper. Mix it well. The ingredients for topping: fried paneer 1 cup, nachos 1 cup, and grated cheese 1 cup. Take a bowl, put rice and spread it. Spread rajma dal on the rice. Spread salsa sauce on rajma dal. Spread salad on the sauce. Top it with paneer, cheese and nachos. Mouth-watering burrito bowl is ready.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.